So today I drew this artwork, and this is drawn with the free hand. And when I'm drawing, I don't know what art is going to show up or what art am I going to get. So when I got this artwork, it is the tarot art of Page of Cups. So I will show you now Page of Cups just so that you know how this guidance resembles Page of Cups. So when we look at this Page of Cups, we see a young boy. He wears a hat and he's holding a cup, and there is a fish coming out, and he seems to be receiving this fish very well, and he's also dressed very well, and so this is how the imagery is. If since I'm a tarot card reader, if I were to tell you the meaning of this card, it just means that it is good luck. When a fish is coming out of water, it is good luck. And this page, who's a young boy, he comes from a very good family because he wears a headgear and he's very well dressed. So he comes from a very good family, he's very well educated. So now let us look at my artwork and what is it saying to us. So in this artwork, if you look, there is a cup, and instead of holding the cup, the page is in my artwork, the page is holding what looks like is a letter E. So somewhere I'm seeing this letter E could be of any importance to the seeker who's written to me for a reading. This E could mean evening, it could mean earn, it could just mean so many things. It could be a name of a person you're very close to. Also, if you see, the seeker is almost looking a little bit fearful of what is coming out of this cup which has water in it, and in this case it is a snake. So the seeker is little bit worried about what the snake can do, and he or she hugs the letter E very closely. So one, you are very close to a certain situation or a certain occasion or a person who may have some reference to an alphabet E. Whichever way the seeker wants to understand E, I leave it to a very open interpretation here. And then, the cups are all about love. So it is a cup is always given its emotions, it is given by a loved one, who has lot of love to offer. So when a snake is coming out, now snake, I understand it as financial gain, a financial situation which is about to improve greatly or massively. So when the Page of Cups is looking at the snake, so this snake which is moving away and the seeker seems to be fearing is nothing but a new opportunity or a challenging opportunity which the seeker fears taking up, or maybe it is a job that you fear or a business that you fear, but it's going to lead to a great financial success. So the guidance really is that a certain loved one has given you a opportunity to make a financial situation very good or lead you to a financial success, and you shouldn't be fearing this opportunity. Also, you are very close to something or somebody or some occasion, it's just something you're very close to, and maybe that person can help you to take up this opportunity. So this is how the reading is, and since I drew intuitively, I got a Page of Cups.